This is going to be a dash cam video regarding a MYGIG REN system. This is a 2008 Durango. And actually I can even give you, alright, I'll give you the update, because I did update these with CDs, and I don't know if that's why, or because it's the REN, or because I already had backup camera, but I did not need to reprogram this whatsoever. What I did do, alright, let me show you what it looks like first. So, kind of cloudy, kind of fuzzy, and you can't see it, but there's lines across the screen. Alright, I'm gonna, what I'll show you what I did is, I'm gonna replace that right there with the commonly used replacement plug that goes with a VCA cable. That'll be the next step. Okay, so I ran and I'll have another video attached to this about, I ran a VCA cable, and it has that red wire, which you don't need for this system. And then I replaced the other plug with this plug, and I did wire it in the back, which I will show next. But just to go over how much different that looks with the new cable. I mean, how much more clear is that? That's even pointing in the wrong direction. Alright. So I had already wired a additional light backup camera, waterproof down there, so I had already spent the time splitting it, but I'm going to save the time. The backup light is this white and red, which goes to one, and then the two blacks that go to this one. Let's see if I can get this out. Unfortunately, my two wires that run down to it are both yellow, so I hope that doesn't make it more confusing, but it's this white with red that I split that goes into there. I hope that's helpful. And that's the backup camera, and then I gave it to this black wire, and then this will be the new camera that I plug in, that I find a way to get in the back. But again, I couldn't find anywhere. You don't need to do anything with power to the VCA cable. And I have another long video about how I run it here, and I run it all the way down the left hand side past those two columns, down into there, and then across underneath where the gas and brake pedal are, up into the radio. And that's how that worked. Alright, this is the final part. Look at that. It is so clear. I don't think that the MYGIG is high def. The camera's high def, but boy, that looks good. Alright, I'm going to go over a couple out. And there's 4 of these white grommets that have to be taken out first, and also this little lever. But once the wire... Oh, and also, you have to do a 1/2-inch grommet. 1/2-inch drill bit, because a 1/2-inch grommet, and that's the smallest size that the RCA jack will fit through in terms of the metal hole. You can put it through a smaller grommet, but you can't get it through the smaller metal hole. And I also had to do another metal grommet up here, because I did the wiring through these so it would be water protected, and then it had to come out on the other side of this. And then I did the wiring, as I have another video, all the way down through there and past these columns. You have to take the columns apart to get the